హాయ్ ఫ్రెండ్స్, ఈరోజు మనం కండిషన్ ఫర్ మ్యాక్సిమం డిశ్చార్జ్ త్రూ ది చిమ్నీ గురించి చూద్దాం. ఓకే, కండిషన్ ఫర్ మ్యాక్సిమం discharge through the chimney. So we have already discussed in the last article that the height of hot gases column producing the draft that is equal to H dash is H into m by m plus 1 into T2 by T1 minus 1 meters. Okay, you can put this is equation 1. Okay, this equation we are discussed in last class. Now we go for velocity of flue gases through the chimney. Now here write down V is equal to 2g H dash. Now this H dash value I substitute in here, 2g H m by m plus 1 T2 by T1 minus 1. This units per meter per second, so we know very well. Then we can written here m is equal to mass of air, actually used in kg per kg of fuel. Then you can written T1 is equal to absolute temperature of air outside the chimney. T2 is absolute temperature of the fuel gases inside the chimney. Now consider a chimney discharging hot gases to the atmosphere under the action of draft. So let A is equal to area of cross section of chimney in meter square, and density is equal to rho is density of the hot gases in kg per meter cube. Okay, mass of hot gases discharged per second, m is equal to volume of hot gases into density of hot gases. Then we can written this AV rho. So put this is called equation number 2. We know that density of the hot gases is inversely proportional to its temperature. So that is rho proportional to 1 by T2, or rho is equal to constant of T. So now substituting the value of v and rho in equation 2. Okay, in equation 2. Then what happened here? M is equal to A is A, but we can take this value to GH M by M plus 1 into T2 by T1 minus 1 into K by T2. Okay, so this row value I can substitute in here, K by T2. Substituting A comma K is equal to K1. Another constant we have, that is M is equal to K1 by T2. 2GH M by M plus 1 into T2 by T1 minus 1. Okay. Then again substituting K1 is equal K1 into root 2GH is considered here K2. Then another constant you can written M is equal to K2 by T2 whole root of M by M plus 1 into T2 by T1 minus 1. Okay, and now we can solve this. K2 whole root of M by M plus 1 into 1 by T1 T2 minus 1 by T2 whole square. I can written this equation like this for to differentiate purpose. Okay, so now differentiating M respect to T2 for maximum discharge and equating to 0. So dm by dt2 is equal to 0. T2 by half M by M plus 1 into 1 by T1 T2 minus T2 whole square half, like this equation I can put it here, into minus of 1 by T1 into 1 by T2 square plus 2 by T2 cube, this is equal to 0. Then I can return this minus of M plus 1 into 1 by T1 T2 minus 1 minute T2 of, okay. So this equation I can put it here, minus of T1 T2, okay, and now into 1 by T2 square plus 2 by T2 square, okay, T2 cube divided by now whole root of m plus 1 into 1 by T1 T2 minus of T2 square. So therefore m by m plus 1 into T1 by T2 plus 2 by T2 cube is equal to 0. So now I can return this m by m plus 1 into 1 by 2 square, that is equal to 2 by T2 cube, or m by m plus 1 into 1 by T1, that is equal to 2 by T2. So then T2 is equal to 2 into m plus 1 by m into T1. So thus we see that for maximum discharge temperature of the fuel gas T2 should be slightly more than the atmospheric pressure T1. Okay, so here we consider note here. So note the height of hot gases column H dash producing the draft for maximum mass of hot gases to be discharged is obtained by substituting the value of T2 in equation 1. So in this value we substitute in equation 1, okay. In equation 1 what happened? Into T2, substitute here T2 value minus 1. This is the units per meters, okay. It shows that for maximum discharge the height of hot gas column producing the draft is equal to the height of the chimney, okay. This is first one. And go to second condition. We know that draft pressure H is equal to so this is mm of water. Therefore the draft pressure for maximum discharge H is equal to minus m into 1 by 2 into m plus 1 m T1, okay. Here since T2 is equal to T1, so the value it will come here 2 T1, then that is equal to 0.6 H by T1 mm of water. So this is the maximum pressure is applied in draft, okay. So this is the equations to solve the problems on chimney. So now we are going to see the problem of chimney, first problem, okay. Is it here? A chimney is 30 mm height and the temperature of atmosphere is 12 degrees Celsius. Calculate the draft produced in mm of water under the conditions of maximum discharge. So okay, here it will give 12 degree Celsius temperature and H is given. So now you can write down first given data for this problem 1. Solution. So given H is equal to 30 mm, T1 is equal to 12 degrees Celsius, that is equal to 12 plus 273. We will get the answer 285 kelvins. Okay, now we know that draft produced for maximum discharge H is equal to 0.5 H by T1. So then substitute these values. Calculate this, we will get the draft produced of mm of water. Okay, so 18.6 mm of water, this is the answer. Okay, you can calculate like this. So you can use these formulas, you can calculate the entire chimney problem. So now we go to see another problem. Problem 2. A chimney is 60 meters high and the temperature of atmospheric air is 27 degrees. If 15 kg of fuel is used, M is given. Find for maximum discharge of hot gases. ఇక్కడ maximum hot gases, దాంట్లో ఫస్ట్ వన్ temperature of hot gases and the draft pressure in mm of water. So draft pressure small h, at the same time ఇక్కడ వచ్చేసరికి ఏంటంటే మనకి we need to find out T2 value also. Okay, so then how to solve this problem we can see. So first we can write the given data for this problem 2. So now solution given H is equal to 60 mm, T1 is equal to 27 degrees, so 27 plus 273, that is equal to 300 kelvins. Okay, and now here M is given 15 kg of. So the first one you can calculate temperature of hot gases for maximum discharge. Okay, so we know the temperature of hot gases for maximum discharge, that is called T2. Now T2 is equal to 2 into m plus 1 by m into T1. Now substitute all values in here. 300. Then calculate this. You will get here 640 kelvins. That means 36.7 degrees Celsius. Okay, and now go to second point here. Draft pressure in mm of water. So we know that the equation draft pressure for maximum discharge H is equal to 176.5 capital H divided by T1. Then you can substitute the values in here. Calculate this, you will get the answer for this mm of water. This is the answer. Okay, so we can use these equations to solve the chimney problems like this. And now how to find the chimney efficiency. So you can written here chimney efficiency of chimney. How to find efficiency of chimney? Okay, it may be defined as the ratio of energy required to produce the artificial draft expressed in meters head of joules per kg of fuel gases to the mechanical equivalent of extra heat carried away per kg of fuel gas due to the natural draft. So that means here 1 minute. Okay, efficiency of chimney, look at here, it may be defined as the ratio of the energy required to produce the artificial draft expressed in meters head or joule per kg of fuel gas to the mechanical equivalent of extra heat carried away per kg of flue gases due to the natural draft. Let H dash is equal to height of the flue gases column or the artificial draft produced to meters. So I can write down here, I can write all those things here. First, H dash is equal to height of the flue gases. Okay, flue gas column. Then T2 is equal to temperature of flue gases in chimney with natural draft. Okay, so T2 is equal to temperature of flue gases in chimney. Then T is equal to temperature of flue gases in chimney with artificial draft. Now this is coming from natural draft with natural draft. Now then T is equal to temperature of flue gases in chimney with artificial draft. Okay, now here we calculate Cp. Cp is called specific heat of flue gas in kilojoules per kg kelvins. Its value may be taken that Cp is equal to 1.005 kilojoules per kg kelvin. Here problem is not given, you can take this value. Cp is equal to 1.005 kilojoules per kg kelvin. Okay, we know that energy required, energy required to produce the artificial draft per kg of flue gas, then that is equal to H dash G, joules per kg of flue gas. So equivalent heat carried, then equivalent heat carried away per kg of flue gas due to natural draft. This is artificial draft. Now we go to something natural draft. And what happened here, that is equal to 1 into Cp T2 minus T kilojoules per kg. So therefore mechanical equivalent, mechanical equivalent of extra heat carried away is equal to 1000 Cp T2 minus T joules per kg. Here kilojoules, here joules per kg of flue gases. The same thing here, K is equal to 1000, I substitute this 1000 value, that's it. Now we go for efficiency of chimney. Is equal to, so efficiency of chimney is equal to artificial draft divided by natural draft of flue gases. Okay, this is the efficiency of chimney. Note here that's called here, in the above expression the value of H dash may be substituted as H dash value manaki ivopote you can find out with the help of this equation. This is our first equation. Okay, so meters. Okay, right? So this is the calculation of efficiency of chimney. Now we see some problem about this. Here problem, in a chimney of height 50 meters, temperature of the flue gases with natural draft is 367 degrees Celsius. The temperature of waste gases by using artificial draft is 127 degrees Celsius. The temperature of outside air is 27 degrees Celsius. If air supplied is 19 kg per kg of flue burnt. So fuel burnt. Determine the efficiency chimney. Assume Cp is equal to 1.005 kilojoules per kg Kelvin for the flue gases. So sometimes it will not given. Appudu మనం ఏం చేయాలంటే ఈ value, standard value, you can take this. Okay. Now how to solve this problem, we can see here. Problem for efficiency one. So solution, you can written given data. The first one is H is given 50 meters and now T2 is given 367 degrees Celsius. So that is equal to 367 plus 273. Calculate this, 640 kelvins. Now here you get the T1 is equal to T1 is 27 degrees Celsius, that is equal to 27 plus 273. Why? Because this is from artificial temperature, this is for natural draft temperature. Okay, now then go for T, ambient temperature. This is for temperature of atmospheric is given now 400 Kelvin, and now M is given 19 kg of fuel. So Cp value is given 1.005 kilojoules per kg kelvins. Okay, and now we know that height of artificial draft H dash is equal to H. We need to find first H dash into T2 by T1 minus 1. Substitute these values in here. 19 17 plus 1, 640, 300 minus 1. So calculate this, you will get the answer here meters. So therefore efficiency of chimney, we know very well that efficiency formula 1000 Cp T2 minus T. Now this is H dash, we find G is equal to take 9.81 standard, 1.005. Now T2 is given 640, T also given 400. Okay. Then calculate this value, you can get here efficiency of the chimney, that is equal to 0.21%. Okay, this is the procedure to solve the efficiency of chimney. Okay, so now we complete totally second unit boilers, and next we go for in third unit steam turbines and steam nozzles. Okay, we will discuss in next class.